Hey guys, today we are going to see how to have dot product of two tensors. So it's simple. Let's say W is equal to TF dot tensor dot, and the first value Y comma Z and comma axis is equal to 1, and let's print W, and the dot product is 10. 1 into 3, 3 plus 2 into 2, 4, 3 plus 4, 7 plus 3 into 1, 3, that is 10. You can also use W is equal to TF dot reduce sum, then multiply the two matrices and it will reduce the answer to a single value into Y, Z into Y, comma axis is equal to 0, and let's print Z, print W again. Yeah, so this is how you do dot products of two tensors. Thanks for watching. Comment if you have any doubts, and do like, comment, share and subscribe. Press the bell icon for notifications. Keep coding, stay curious.